Hey guys, it's been a while since I last posted. So last summer I went to Disneyland with my family. Hopefully you can get an idea of what Disneyland is like post-pandemic. And I also heard that from a certain mouse that if you click the like button and subscribe, the next time you go to Disneyland it'll be even more magical.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try.
The first part of our journey was through the main town, and that's where we saw Cruella. Hey look, there's Minnie Mouse in the background doing jumping jacks.
I don't know if you want to know on fun fact, American flags up there. You know, they have actually they have only 48 or 49 stars. Because, it's just cheaper for Disney. They don't have to keep repairing it if it gets damaged. It's going to Frontierland.
Our next destination was Frontierland. So this was our first ride. The wait is generally 40 minutes to an hour. You would think that because we're in a pandemic, less people would go, but it was actually the opposite. So here we arrived at the Pirates of the Caribbean. For the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, you'll find it a lot more relaxing in comparison to Thunder Mountain.
You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map. And this will be key to the treasure.
Up next, we arrived at the haunted house.
Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. And no doors.
Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
If you will stop lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer.
haunted house displayed a lot of amazing special effects.
Please exit to your left.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm a huge Star Wars nerd. So when we got into the Star Wars world, everything looked almost like the movie. This ride is called the Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run, and that's also the name of the ship.
Step forward. Wait right there, guys.
So Honda is looking for 2 pilots, 2 gunners, 2 engineers today, okay?
As she was saying, we had 2 pilots, 2 gunners, and 2 engineers. Each role is very distinctive from each other. The pilots are the one flying the planes, the gunners are the one shooting, and the engineers are the one fixing the plane. For this ride, you always have 6 players, so if you only have 5, they'll drop another individual in your group.
You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now, the resistance has they did something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls.
The 2 pilots that are flying, one will control up down and the other will control left right. Oh, by the way, pro tip, the up down controls are inverse.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms.
After finishing the smugglers run, we went to the Matterhorn bobsled. A little warning, this ride is very violent and it will jerk you in your seat. So that if you have back problems, I definitely wouldn't recommend this ride. After breaking our backs at bobsled, we decided to go to It's a Small World to let it heal.
Go, Michael.
This is a really cool addition that Disneyland has. So it's a little Easter egg. The goal is to push it down as hard as possible, and then the door will actually open up. And depending on the sound, it will tell you whether you're close or you're far away. Up next is my turn. And as you can see, I failed real hard. Our last ride for the day was Indiana Jones. Unfortunately, we got stuck in here for about 2 hours since some technical difficulties went down. Fortunately, after that, I got too lazy to record. Finally, we come to the end of the video. Disneyland, every single day they have fireworks right at around 9 p.m. I believe. You might have to double check on that. But it's a really cool thing. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. What was your favorite ride? Remember to like the video and subscribe for more.